My name is Abdulbary Atassi. I'm the CIO of Zamil Industrial. Zamil Industrial started in 1998 by merging several Zamil family-owned companies in Saudi Arabia. By 2002, we went public and we became a listed company, and we started expanding worldwide, building our international presence. Zamil Industrial have 5 sectors. First sector is our AC sector. The second sector is our steel industries. Our third sector is our construction business. In the world today, staying the same you are is not an option, so it's either change or die. And our main and core objective in IT in Zamil Industrial is to work as an innovator for our sector. We are shifting away from the old style of service center where we just take the request from the business. We are more into digging deep in the business process and in our business operation, understanding their needs, going back to the market and start looking in the emerging technology, see how technology can help them achieving this.